Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna quickly kind of put my hair up. We had a dentist appointment, me and my husband today, and we couldn't get anybody to watch my daughter. So we are going to take her. We both have appointments, but we're thinking of canceling his. So I just need to go in and get x-rays. It's even called x-ray. Yeah, x-ray, just to see how the tooth that I was supposed to get started at the end of last year. But everything kept happening, so we kept pushing it back and pushing it back. So we'll see what we end up doing to get this tooth situated. And then I am filming with the backside of my camera. I'm going to try to film with the backside of my phone for better quality videos. Now, I already failed this morning because I did a vlog as soon as I woke up at 6:30. Well, my daughter woke us up that early, and I wanted to film breakfast. And the part of me doing this, I completely failed. I was out of frame that entire time. So I am going to hope that that is not the case. And then the other day when I filmed, my ice machine just went off. I also noticed that I have to kind of use the mic. If I don't, it sounds really bad. So I don't know what's going on. I guess I did the update on the phone and it just went down from there. But yeah, I'm just putting my hair up. I am hopefully gonna chop this hair off tomorrow. We will see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my quick little makeup for the day. I'm gonna go in with a brow sculpt to do my eyebrows. It's pretty easy, just kind of go down, and then it starts getting dry pretty quickly, about 10 seconds to be honest. Then I start kind of brushing it. Once it starts kind of fighting me back, which it will, I know that they invented this brush to do it, but I feel like the brush isn't efficient enough to do it. So I bought an edging brush for it. And you see, it's already tacky, so I just kind of brush it upwards and out. And it does it so much faster than just using the little spoolie it comes with. Done. Faster. Love it. But I do really like this product. It does not move. I did leave it for 24 hours yesterday. No, day before yesterday. One of the days this week. And it really did last even while I slept and everything. And I even took a steamy hot shower, and it still was living its little best life. Recommend this product. Then I go in with like an ink brow product and I just fill in any little gaps that I have. But this brow always is the one that needs a lot more love and support. So I'm filling into some more. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish getting ready while I watch Charmed. It's one of my favorite shows ever. And I'll catch up with you guys right after. Alright guys, I am done. It's already a miracle. My toddler has not come in here once to do my little simple face here. But yeah, so it is what I think going to be 10. My dentist appointment's at 2. So the plan right now is to go to Target and then go to the dentist. And my biggest hope is from Target Drive to dentist, she falls asleep. Because then we have a good 45 minutes to an hour without her waking up. My husband could just sit in the back seat and I could do my dentist appointment, and all is good in the world. So that is the hope. But we will see. Again, my goal is to film on the back side of the camera today, so I'm hoping that I will be able to do that. I keep looking that way to make sure I'm in frame with the mirror. I really wish that they made, like, I don't know, something to flip kind of forward so I can be able to see if I am in frame. I'm telling you guys earlier, like, I went like this and it was just like my neck and like the rest, and then I switched to my hand, kind of flipped the camera the other way, and it was like this down. So I need to kind of see how I can make this work. I don't want to take a selfie stick with me everywhere because that's not realistic for me personally. I'm normally holding my toddler, so no. But we will see how I can get used to kind of doing this. I'm gonna take my mic off and charge it. I really want to get into a custom to have this with me and be able to, you know, have it to film so you guys won't hear so much of the noise in the back. But I don't think that's realistic either. Just because, again, I mean, it does come with a really cute pouch, but again, like, oh no, I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, let me put this in, let me make sure it's on. It's gonna be more of like, all right, let's go, let's do this. If you're a mom, you know how it is. All right, so let's get on with today. All right, so I'm hoping that the lighting isn't too bad. I have you guys on one of my little tripods. But yeah, so I went to the dentist. Y'all, insurance didn't want to cover the x-ray. They were trying to charge me a lot of money, but they waived it for me because I was like, I was not told I had to pay for anything today. Like, that was a lot of money. Literally, my tooth is a mortgage. It's ridiculous. I hate it here. Anyways, so then we went to Target. No, we went to Target before we went to the dentist. So my plan did work. I did try to film in the car, but it was like here. You guys are like up my nose basically already. So basically, yeah, we went to Target. She did end up starting to fall asleep on me, so I had to run to the car and put her in the car seat before she completely knocked out. And then she actually stayed in the car seat. I went to the dentist appointment an hour early, and they took me and they, you know, gave me the expensive couple months to get my full tooth and everything ready and done. But yeah, let me just show you what I picked up at Target. We did want to go to Dollar Tree, but honestly, we didn't need to go to Dollar Tree. One thing that I did buy for myself is actually the infused with apricot oil lip oil from e.l.f. I've been seeing these everywhere, and I've been obsessed with like lip kind of products, like lip oils and chapsticks. I don't like lip gloss personally, so I'm actually really excited about this. I decided to get the, I think it's the second to lighter shade, which is Coral. Oh wow. That smells straight up like candy. And it's a lot glossier than I thought. That I was going to feel more like an actual lip oil. This literally feels like lip gloss. Anyways, so we picked up Cheerios. My daughter has been loving Cheerios for breakfast. I am going to mix this in our container up there with also the Cheerios with no sugar, no nothing added, so that she won't have that much, you know, sugar intake. And then I have restarted loving Frosted Flakes. So I got that for me. I actually like mixing Cheerios and Frosted Flakes together. If you haven't tried that, try that. It's really good. We got some Ziploc bags. The Target run was really rushed because, again, she was falling asleep. So we got some eggs. My toddler absolutely loves this yogurt, and it is the cookie dough one. She loves it. I got 2 of my chocolate chip cookies. You guys know I love those. I got some more of these to keep in my pantry. We actually had to make some because we were running out of groceries. And my toddler actually really, really loved both. So I got more. I don't put all of the spices. So I cook both of them. I don't put all of the spices in one of them. I kind of take it out because there is a lot of sodium in these. And then I got some croissants. I'm telling you guys, this was a really fast run. Next week, we're doing a Costco run, so I'll share that with you guys. We got some flake ones. These are my favorites. We also got some avocado Alfredo sauce, avocado. We're running out of mayo and they didn't have a squeezy tube one, so I got this one. We got this chickpea spaghetti. I've gotten these before. My husband actually likes this one even though he hates pasta. He wanted this for his lunch instead of getting regular bread, so that I'm actually gonna make his lunch right now as well. So actually I got two more things before I get onto that. Unsalted butter. I always have unsalted butter in the house. And then I also picked up some dandelions. It's open because my daughter had a couple right now. So yeah, so for my toddler, we ended up giving her one of the LOL balls that I showed you guys in my Valentine's Day toddler edition stuff. If you haven't seen that video, it's right here somewhere. So I got this to add, and it is basically food, salad, vegetables, and stuff like that. She's pretty good at knowing individually, but not the categories. So I got that. And then I saw these, and I had to. I'm going to give her probably one right now. My daughter loves Peppa Pig now. Like, she's over Bluey. She's been over Cocomelon. But now she loves Peppa Pig. And I don't like this show at all. It's actually not really good for them either. So, yeah. She loves Peppa Pig. Loves Peppa Pig. So I got 4 of these. As soon as I saw them, I was like, all right, I have to get those for her, obviously. My husband got some toys. I'm not going to show you that. We did get some water bottles. I also got 2 of these. No, I actually got 4. I'm showing you 2. And that's what I filled our ice machine with. So actually, as she fell asleep on me, I saw that all like the little girl and boys actually sweats were on sale, clearance. So I got her this outfit for next winter. This is 4T, but it is long. Right now she is wearing 3T, but around her hips it fits her a little bit big, which I think this is going to be completely fine. And the top I did get her 5T because I didn't have a smaller size, but I thought the set was really cute and it was on clearance again, like I said. And then on clearance there was also this guy, which it was literally my inner child because it's Polly Pocket. So I just thought it would be cute. She doesn't put little things in her mouth. She's really good with that. She's actually always been really good with that. So let's see if she likes this. I'm not sure if I want to give it to her now or wait till Easter. I'm not sure, but it was $7, $8, and originally it's $29. So I thought I'll get that. And then not Target related, but since we're vlogging anyways, I got this on Sam's for 16 bucks, guys. I was looking for one for when we go on our trip, and just in general she needs another one. This one's actually 4T. Hers, the one she has right now, I think it's 2T or 3T, but it is fitting her small. And in the summer, that's all we take out with us is like her rain jacket because it covers her perfectly. So I'm so happy that I found this one, and I sent it to my sister-in-law, and she actually purchased it for her. 16 bucks, you can't go wrong. But yeah, that is my Target haul. I'm really disappointed about the dentist though, because I was like, yeah, that's really expensive. But like I said, I need to get it done and get it over with. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put this stuff away. Then yeah, that's really it. That's all I got. Also, the Polly Pocket thing, me and my husband decided, okay, online, I asked and he said Easter. So I asked him, should I give this to her now or later, or like for Valentine's Day or for Easter? He said save that for Easter, so I am. I did add one of these guys though in her Valentine's Day basket that I showed you guys a video on, and I just noticed that the jelly actually fell back there, so I need to go get it. And I think I'm gonna quickly just do a reel on it since I didn't film a reel when I filmed the video. Yeah.
Hey guys, so actually I took a shower, I'm in my PJs, I'm ready to go to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Thank you guys so much for helping my channel grow. And if you've actually watched this entire video, please put this emoji down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.